40 citizens of Meghalaya, mostly medical students, have been evacuated from Dhaka and entered India via Agartala. They will continue their journey to Shillong. The students safely crossed the Sonamura border in Tripura and formalities for their onward travel are being completed. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma expressed gratitude to the Minister of External Affairs Dr. S. Jaishankar and Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha for their assistance. He also thanked the Border Security Force for their support. Conrad Sangma also credited the successful evacuation to the collaborative efforts of state government officers, the Ministry of External Affairs, the Indian Embassy in Bangladesh and other stakeholders.